Hey, guys, so today, we're diving into the world of Ethernet cables, especially if you're gearing up for the Cisco CCNA exam or just want to get the lowdown on networking in general. Alright, first off, let's talk about the different types of Ethernet cables. We've got a whole lineup from Cat3 all the way to Cat8. Each one has its own vibe when it comes to speed and what it's good for. For most of you out there setting up modern networks, Cat6 and Cat6a are the way to go. They've got the speed you need without breaking a sweat. Now, here's where it gets interesting. There are three main types of cables you should know about: straight through, crossover, and rolled cables, also known as console cables. Each one has its own purpose, so knowing when to use them is key. And don't forget about the wiring standards. You've got T568A and T568B, which are just fancy ways of saying how to connect your wires. We'll also cover crossover pin mapping and those handy Cisco console connections. Oh, and let's not skip over the cool features that are making life easier for all of us. Things like Auto-MDI, MDIX, that's power over Ethernet, by the way, and cable shielding are all super important. They help you choose the right cable without second-guessing yourself. So, whether you're studying for that exam or just want to be a networking whiz, this guide has got your back. Let's get you wired up with confidence. Cool, sweet.